Mr. Shebada. I mean, Mrs. Shebada.
No, don't address Shebada. I don't even want Shebada to force me. I beg
you. Never answer. I just have to sit quick.
Shebada's mouth is better than the whole of Jamaica. I beg.
Well, Andy,
I just God beg you. Leave it. Don't say it's okay. Leave it. Yeah.
Just say one thing. Hold on.
Please tell him off. Let's not say anything. Come, it's okay. Come on. No.
All right.
Don't say anything. Hi, Jesus. God forbid. You want them to skin me alive?
No, I mean them come out, you know.
No.
Alright, chat. We are gonna left it.
Yeah. Ha. Of all people, it's better you want to answer. Hey, God knows what I say. Hey.
Chat, we are gonna left it for your next. Go left it for your next day then.
Hey. No.
May I left it for your next day?
Yes, leave it like that.
Alright, so guys, what the first thing we're gonna make sure do now? You didn't bullshit right. Guys, me just talk my mind, you know. Alright, chat. What the first thing we're gonna make sure do? Make sure.
I chat
You ever, eh?
Yeah, let's go chat.
Alright. Come in. First thing we're gonna make it do. We're gonna make it need the floor.
Wow.
This cannot be real.
We're gonna make it need the floor. We're gonna make it need. Chat, we're gonna make sure need the floor. We're gonna make sure you ever need floor before? Yeah, take off your nail. Alright, take off your nail. Alright, chat, she take off her nail. Oh, I should put on the pot of water. Let me go on.
Thank you.
I'm afraid. Chat on the power top, guys, I'll share the live. What we're making, guys, we are making Jamaica's national dish. We are making.
I can't sort him.
No. Jamaica, and that's the national dish. KFC. Mackerel. Me say a mackerel.
Mackerel is coming.
No, not that mackerel. The real mackerel. Oh, you never see the real mackerel.
It's all the giver and
the real mackerel.
okay. Crepe sardine.
So man, it's a mackerel.
It's sardine.
Mackerel. Like,
sardine.
No man, sardine different. Sardine coming on a flat thing.
Yes, but mackerel.
Mackerel. Like a friend.
Mackerel.
So when you tell mackerel, say she go up on shelf, but this way I talk about. So chat, we have a set on the pot.
So
The
fine.
real mackerel. Alright, come in there. Alright, so I take out there. Set on the water. So what you have to do? You have water and salt. You see what I say? Yes, you know that.
Masa. What does masa mean?
Masa means sir.
What does banta mean?
Bantan my father name.
What's his name?
Yeah, Billy Bantan. My artist, you
So
know.
you're calling your father by his name all the time?
Light it. No, you can't light nothing and sit. Alright. Just go so.
It's not lighting.
And I say like that, go so. Strike it. Yeah, strike.
Then let me do it here like this.
No, you can't do it. Yeah, strike it. Yeah. Yeah. That can't, babe. That can't light it. Breeze are blue. Just go so. And then just jump back. Come. Ready? Ma, set, go. Yeah! That is it, my wife. Hush. That is it. Hey, my wife. Well, I'm moving to that way. Chat, you see a woman alert?
What's that?
Eh? It's a line. This is how we put clothes on. The pink clothes on this. Chat, you see how she alert? Oh, fuck yeah. Hey, baby, my proud. Yo, you don't find that in all of us. It's like there's nothing way. Yo, man. Continue. Yes! That's it. Do it again, baby. Do it again. Again.
Oh, don't lie.
Again.
Ay!
Whoa!
Wait, it just catch one time.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I made that
It's
one.
vinegar that made that.
Yeah.
Wow. That means vinegar is an explosive.
Eh? No, not explosive. Who did that? You did that. That is it. So that's the first step, baby. You see this right here?
Eh?
Whole scope.
Yes.
Real Jamaican style. You see me?
I know it.
You know it. What them call it?
Confidence used to come charcoal pot.
Charcoal pot.
Confidence used to be the one want to cook.
Alright, chat. After me do that, I want me to fan it though. If you fan it. Fan it.
It's going up, oh.
That go up?
Yes.
Hold on.
The fire off.
It now come up. If you fan it, no, make it stay. Alright.
Mommy, look at my dress is tweaked.
Yes, so you too, when you see what I want, my wife is the first African to light one Jamaican coal stove. The first African to do it.
Yeah, that's double.
Double is in the chat. Oh, B. Chat. You know what I want, guys? You see? It's the type of person. I don't really answer people, you know. B, you know me answer people already. But there is this one person when I say I bring down my name and I bring down my character. When I want to answer, hold on the chat. Let me go for something.
See, the fire have lost.
The fire lost? Jesus, no man, the fire did the same way. So guys, there is this one specific funny.
Blow it from this side like this is where fire is. Add vinegar. Wait there, let me leave first before you add. Yeah. Let me go fast. Add the vinegar. Come on, you do it.
You did it.
We don't have a plate that can blow you. No, not that type. Like rubber plate. If I have no cash today, I'm already hungry. This food will get ready but next year. Yeah, see, I'm even seeing corn. You boil that corn only today, we'll eat it today.
Oh man, we got to take that answer. I just say it's here sometime. Fix your face.
I have no cash today, see.
No man, see the kitchen and this. Okay, hold on. You guys have it mercy chat. You guys are what one. Guys. Oh, see smoke there. You never see smoke without fire. Where there is smoke, there is fire. Baby. You want the music?